everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are you getting the unable to repost error on Instagram? Here's the solution. Firstly, put your phone on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Now, press on Instagram for a few seconds and click on the info icon. Scroll down and click on the storage and cache. Now, tap on clear cache and go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app on your device. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram and update it. Now go back to the home page and restart your mobile phone for once. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.